Hi, and welcome to Reflections of You, where we create items to spread joy to others. And why don't we spread joy to ourselves by looking at our craft room and getting it ready for 2024? It will make 2024 so much fun. We've ended the push of Christmas cards, Christmas gifts, Christmas tags, Christmas money holders. Let's get started so that on 2024, when our craft projects need to be done, they don't sneak attack us. Let's get started. First, I suggest getting some card bases made and cut and ready to go. This way, when you go to make a card, you'll have card bases already created and started to make the process go smoothly. Let's get out our notebook paper or a notebook and let's brainstorm on what projects we want to do for 2024. Is it scrapbook layouts that we need to get completed? Are we interested in doing birthday cards? And if so, who are we sending those cards to? Let's make a list so that we can get the cards completed, pull out the card when it's ready, and send it to the recipient. And if we're making a birthday card, can we make this card 2 times? 1, to maximize our supplies and save money, and 2, to save time and send those cards out to 2 different people. These are all things that you can brainstorm. Do we make Valentine's Day cards, and who are we sending those to? Do we have Easter projects we need to get done, and for who? And are we making Halloween cards or Christmas cards? You decide. You brainstorm, and this will help you in 2024. Let's assess our craft supplies. Do we have enough adhesive? Do we need to order any? Do we have enough stamp pads? Is one of our stamp pads getting low? Do we need to get a refill or a new pad? Have we gone through our stamps and said, oh my goodness, I've used this stamp set to the max. Is it time to give it away? Or is it time to sell a stamp set? And most importantly, do I have enough paper for this year? Do I have enough of my basics like white, black, gray, neutrals, craft? These are all things that you need to assess to make sure that none of your supplies are running low. And last but not least, is there any major project for this year like a gift album, a planner, a stationery box, a recipe box that you want to create? Put it on your list. Get ready, get organized for 2024. I can't wait to see your crafting projects. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.